Working conditions in factories are better than ever. However, there is still one missing link: how people move around the factory floor. Most factory workers have to walk 10+ kilometers a day. Long term, it puts enormous pressure on the human body, and time spent walking decreases overall productivity. Stigo Fleet helps employees become healthier and companies more efficient. Our service is simple. For a fixed monthly fee, we'll provide your team with custom-made electric vehicles, which they can share while moving around the factory floor and outdoors. How it works: 1. Tell us about your company. 2. We'll find the right solution for you. 3. Your team can start using the vehicles. 4. Your workers are healthier and more productive. Our full service guarantees that your fleet is always in excellent condition and safe to use. Complete our online quiz and see how you could benefit from our service.